You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.